Hello there, this is Fakhrul Alam. Welcome to a brand new video of our channel America থেকে বলছি. Today I'm going to show you some basic information about Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. It's a very good software for video editing for the bloggers. I'm using it and I'm very much happy with it. So let's go ahead and start the video. So at first I will show you how we can download it. So I'm opening Mozilla Firefox. Then let's search Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. Okay, it's already came in the search box, Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. If I scroll down, or I can just do it like this, 2021 download. Okay, and here in this link, if I click on this link, then let's see what you can see. Okay, so from here we can download the Adobe Premiere Elements 2021 for 64-bit computer processor, and I already downloaded it. Here are some other versions: Adobe Premiere Elements 2020. So it's best to use the latest version. I already downloaded it as I'm using it. So you will just click on download 64-bit and you will download it for your computer. So let's open Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. It's already downloaded in my computer and I already installed it. So let's just open it. Double clicking on it and opening it. So here in this interface, we can see a lot of things, a lot of cool things. Here we can see create a slideshow. So you can create slideshow, try out new music tracks. You can use the new music tracks and add animated matte overlays. It's for the photo editor, I think. So our goal is to talk about the video editor. Here we can see three options: organizer, photo editor, and video editor. In the organizer, let's see what we see in the organizer. Let's click on it. Here in this organizer, you can access all of your video and audio files. Just like this, whatever I uploaded, whatever I edited, I can see all of these videos here, video clips here in the organizer. And also, so this is just like this. We don't need to use it actually. So we can just click this close button and get out of it. This time. So we will go to the video editor. So let's click on video editor. It's opening now. So this is the latest version of Adobe Premiere Elements, Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. So here we see three options: quick, guided, and expert. So in the quick option, we can simply, it's very easy. It's for the beginners to edit videos. And in the guided option, we can see a lot of things, a lot of information here. Like it will guide you how to edit a video. Like suppose you want to add transitions between clips, then you will just click on it and it will show you the information here. It's something like this. So that was guided. And in the expert mode, this is the best mode to use Adobe Premiere Elements. This is the best mode to edit the video. So in the quick mode, if I go to the quick mode, and also here on this side, we can see a lot of options. And these are the options that we can use to edit our video and audio files. So this is, let's click on it. Nothing is coming up here. Mm, let's click on this. Yes, that's it. Here we can see a lot of options like pan and zoom. If you want to zoom your video, then you can use this option. Freeze frame. If you want to freeze some frames of your video, then you can use these options, like such as time remapping. So if you want to speed up or speed down your video file, some clips, then you can use time remapping, and a lot of options. And another one. Okay, so here in this options, what is this called? Apply effects to enhance your clips. So if you want to apply different effects to your clips, then you can use these options. Here we see a lot of options, a lot of different effects that we can use in our video. And on cool thing, apply transitions between clips. So if you want to apply transitions between clips, then you can use these options. Here we can see a lot of different transitions that we can use. If you, we can see a preview of each of the transitions. So how can we see the preview? Let's click on it and we will see it. So if you apply these transitions, then this transition will apply your video like this. It will show up like this. We can find a lot of different transitions. There is 3D motion. If you want to use some transitions called map, then you can use this. We see page fill, picture wipe, slide, special effect, zoom, etc., etc. A lot of things. So this was for transitions. Then if use, we, in many cases, we use titles or text or clips. So how can you do that? We can use this option. Click on it. So these are the previews that you can use to write down a title or text. We add a title or text to our clip. So here we have a lot of different options: motion titles, contemporary, decorative, classic titles, general, entertainment, HD templates, etc., etc. So this is used for uh, adding titles and text to our video clips. Add audio to the soundtrack. So if we want to add audio to the soundtrack, then we can use this option. So here we can see a lot of audios, lot of different audios. So I hope, as we have to buy this software, so I hope there will be no copyright issue in these cases because we are buying this software. So I did not use these audio clips in any of my video, but I think you guys can use this. I'm not sure about the copyright issue. And here this option, add graphics to your clips. If you want to add some graphics to your clips, then you can use this option. So here we can see a lot of graphics, such as if we select baby, let's see what are the graphics are. These are the graphics for babies. If we are editing a video in which we are editing some home items, then we can probably use this home items graphics. So this is it. And if we want to go to the home screen, then we can simply click on it and go to the home screen. If you want to go to the organizer, I just showed you the organizer. So if you want to go to the organizer, then we can click on it. So here we can start our project. So how can we start our project? We can start our project like this. Click on file, then new, then project. Click on project. So that's how we can start our project. And if you want to, after editing our video, if we want to export it, if we want to save it, then how can we save it? We will simply click on export and share. So if we click on export and share, then this window will come up. So in these cases, click on devices, then we can select the resolution. Which resolution do you want to use? Ultra 4K Ultra HD or HD 1920 by 1080 or HD 1440 by 1080 and some other options. So here you will write the file name. You can also increase the quality. So if we want to use high quality video, then you can select high, or medium quality, medium, low quality, low. So it will actually uh, make the size vary. And here is the destination where you will save your file. So let's click on cancel. And I will just show you one more thing. That is, if we want to add some media files, then how will you add some media files? You will click on add media and then files and folders. After clicking on files and folders, you will go to your files and folders and you will just select them. Suppose I am selecting beginning and ending. Click on open and another window will show up here. So from here, we have to drag these clips over here. So we drag the clips over here. Now if we play it, how can we play it? We can play it clicking here. So if we of the two video clips that I use for my videos, when I edit my videos, this is the ending one and the first one was the beginning one. So, and after while editing your video and audio files, if you want to undo some changes, then how can you do it? You will simply click undo. Suppose if I click undo, then okay, I removed this video file because I added it over here to here at the second time. And if I want to bring it back, then how can I do this? I will simply click on redo. So that's it. That's a pretty simple introduction to Adobe Premiere Elements 2021. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you will enjoy the video and learn a lot. So in the next video clip, I will show you a lot of things. I will make some series videos and I will show you a lot of things. So stay with me. Please like my page America থেকে বলছি and subscribe to my YouTube channel America থেকে বলছি. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.